realization I had the other day is that because our relationship is formal. Our relationship with the Holy Name is formal, and it's established by putting our hands on the beads and moving around the beads and counting Sankhya, 1, 2, 3, so many rounds. It's like when a man marries a woman, he slips a ring on her finger, and then he says, "You're my wife," or "Now you're married." So that ring is a symbol that there's a bondage. But if it's only a ring on the finger, then throughout the day you're not thinking of him, or remembering him, or trying to remember him. You may be doing so many things, then there's not much relationship. It's only a ring. So if we only slip our hands around the beads for 2 hours, and then we have a 2-hour relationship with the Holy Name, and then the rest of the time it's relationship with everything but the Holy Name, then we've forgotten the Lord. And the Lord for us is the Holy Name. There's no other Lord for us. Krishna means His holy name. Radha means her holy name. This is it. There's no other. We have no other introduction to Radha and Krishna but their holy names. We have no other relationship with Radha and Krishna but their holy names. We have no other connection with Radha and Krishna except their holy names. And we have no other service to Radha and Krishna but their holy names. And our love, or whatever, our developing of love, is based on our repetition of the holy names of Krishna and Radha in the Mahamantra. So it's like you have a relationship with your husband, so you lie in bed and you embrace him, and that's for 1 hour, then you fall asleep. And then you get up and he goes his way and you go your way. So you're physically in contact for 1 hour, and then after that you forget. So we're like with Krishna for 2 hours, Hare Krishna, really trying Hare Krishna. Then after that, everything's shut down. Beads are shut down, hand is shut down, tongue is shut down, mind is shut down, ears are shut down, everything is shut down. Then it's who won the cricket match, and where did you buy that sari, that's nice cloth, and oh, where did you get this, and where did you buy that, and are you going to so-and-so's wedding? Oh, what dress are you going to wear? Oh, I don't know, I have to buy a new one. Blah, blah. And all that goes on, but there's no chanting. And that goes on. We have to move through the world and do our duties. But this is the point I'm making. No matter what we're doing, we have to search out for the holy name. Find him. Where is he? Am I with him? Am I separated from him? Or am I with him? Am I remembering him? So this point I was mentioning to someone on the telephone. Spontaneously this came up, and then afterwards I wrote it down in my notebook. It was from Bombay, Sukhapriya Das. He was appreciating it. Especially like the analogy of heartbeat. It's a very nice analogy. Analogy means comparison. As our heart is always going on, but we're not aware of it. It's silently working. So we should always be connected, as our heart is always beating and connecting us with life in this body. So we should always be connected with Krishna's name and have life in our spiritual body. The name is a heartbeat for the spiritual body. Just as the heart is beating life into the material body, the holy name is beating life into the spiritual body. Soul beat. Soul beat. Boom, 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 boom. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, 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 Hare, Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, 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 Hare, Hare.